What we see in this diagram is a depiction of classification of matter into solids, liquids, and gases. And as you can see, and the solid is just sitting in the bottom of the flask. And if you could look at the individual atoms, you would see that they're held together very closely and in an ordered fashion. The liquid particles, however, are close together, but they're not held in a rigid position, so they can roll over each other, which is why a liquid will flow. And then the gas particles have spread out throughout the entire vessel, and they can move very freely. The other thing that we see about this, as the solids, just sit in the bottom of the flask, they don't fill it up, they don't conform to the shape of the container, whereas the liquid does. And we know that this will happen if you have water in a glass and you put it in a tub, it will spread out. The gas, on the other hand, will assume both the shape and the volume of the container.